You took a photo you regret, a document you never want anyone to find, a video that should never see the light of day. So you did what anyone would do. You deleted it, moved it to the trash, emptied the trash. Done. Gone forever. Except it isn't. Not yet. And sometimes, not ever. Most people assume deletion works like burning a piece of paper. The moment you empty the trash, the file disappears. Destroyed. Unreachable. And your device confirms this feeling. The file is gone from your screen, gone from your folders, gone from every place you can see. But what's actually happening is something completely different. Your computer didn't destroy that file. It just stopped acknowledging it. When you delete a file, your operating system doesn't erase the data. It erases the address. Think of your storage drive like a massive library. Every file is a book sitting on a shelf. When you delete a file, the librarian doesn't remove the book. They just remove it from the catalog. The book is still on the shelf. It's just no longer listed anywhere. And because it's not in the catalog, your computer treats that shelf space as empty, available for something new to be placed there. But until something new actually gets written to that exact spot, the original file is still physically there, sitting on the shelf, unlisted, waiting. This is exactly why file recovery software exists and why it works. Programs like Recuva, Disk Drill, or PhotoRec don't perform magic. They simply walk through every shelf in the library, looking for books that are still there but missing from the catalog. And in many cases, they find them. A deleted photo from 3 months ago. A document you emptied from the trash last week. Sometimes even files you deleted years ago. As long as nothing new has been written over that exact space on the drive, the data is recoverable. This is also why forensic investigators can pull deleted files from laptops and phones. The data was never truly gone. It was just hidden in plain sight. But here's where it gets more complicated. Not all storage drives behave the same way. On a traditional hard drive, the kind with spinning magnetic disks, deleted data stays in place until something overwrites it, which means it can sit there, recoverable, for a very long time. But on a modern SSD, the type inside most new laptops and phones, something different happens. SSDs use a process called trim. When you delete a file, trim quietly tells the drive to go ahead and wipe that space clean in the background, even before anything new is written there. It's like a librarian who doesn't just remove the book from the catalog. They immediately pull it off the shelf and shred it. This makes recovery from SSDs much harder, often impossible. So, whether your deleted files are truly gone depends heavily on what kind of storage your device uses. And then there's the cloud. Delete a photo from your phone, and it might disappear from your camera roll. But if your phone is synced to iCloud, Google Photos, or Dropbox, that file is likely sitting in a recently deleted folder on a server somewhere. Most cloud services hold deleted files for 30 days before permanently removing them. Some hold them even longer. And permanently removed from a cloud service doesn't always mean what you think it means either. Large platforms keep backups of backups, redundant copies spread across multiple data centers in different countries. A file you deleted today may exist in a backup snapshot on a server you'll never have access to. So, what do you do if you actually need something gone? Simply deleting it isn't enough. To truly erase a file, you need to overwrite the space it occupied, ideally multiple times, with random data. This is what secure erase tools do. On HDDs, software like Eraser or built-in secure delete features write over the deleted space repeatedly until the original data is unrecoverable. On SSDs, the trim process handles much of this automatically. But most manufacturers also provide secure erase utilities that wipe the entire drive properly. For phones, a factory reset combined with full device encryption is the most reliable method. Encrypt first, then reset. And what's left behind is unreadable, even if recovered. Here's what makes this genuinely unsettling. Every file you've ever deleted is somewhere on a timeline between still fully there and truly gone. And exactly where it sits on that timeline depends on your device type, how much you've used the drive since deletion, whether you use cloud backup, and whether anyone with the right tools has decided to look. Deletion isn't a moment. It's a process. And for most people, most of the time, that process is nowhere near finished the moment the trash empties.